Today I'm going to talk about what you do with bare root roses when you order them online or through a mail order company and they come. So take a look at this. I have the best roses in the world. These are the David Austin English roses, and some of you rose connoisseurs know just how special David Austin roses are. They're those old-fashioned, beautiful, voluptuous, scent-filled roses that you just don't see in modern roses. The best way to purchase and have a great selection of roses is to order them bare root. And so right now it's bare root season, and this is what I got from David Austin roses. So I want you to take a look at it. It comes in a box and it's packed in plastic because you don't want the roots to dry out. So take a look at what's in the box. My David Austin roses in bare root form. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is my Lady of Shallot climbing rose. And what you're looking for is a well-formed head. So the top part of the plant has beautifully spaced branches and stems. So that's perfect. And then take a look at the root area. Very well formed, in good condition. I know that this has come from across the country. So what you do when you get your bare root roses is you immediately hydrate them, especially if you're not going to be planting them in the next day or two. If for any reason you need to put away these roses, you make sure that you give it a nice drink of water, like I'm doing now, and then you're going to re-put them in their plastic that they came in, and you can put them away. Close up the bag and put it away in a very cool room. You don't want to give them any light right now because light will stimulate top growth. We don't want this leafing out until you're ready to plant it. So here we go. This one's going back in its little protective bag, and so are the rest. So what you do is go ahead and do that. After you hydrate them, make sure to put them back in the box, close it up really, really well, and then put it in your coolest room. And then in about a week, I'm gonna go ahead and plant them. So that is what you do when you receive your bare root roses. Yay! If you like tips like this about gardening, designing your yard, growing food, wellness, what to do with the things that you grow, follow me here on Facebook at EdenMakers and Foodie Gardener, and also on YouTube on EdenMakers by Shirley Bovshow. Have a great day. Make sure to subscribe.